Google Play Store not working? Does Google Play Store keep stopping? I am sure we've all experienced a Google Play Store problem at some point in our phones. So, if you can't or unable to download apps from Google Play Store pending or waiting for download, then in this video, I will show you what to do if Google Play Store will not load or download apps. So, let us start. Method 1. Uninstall updates on Google Play. Generally, when you have a problem with an app, you can just uninstall it and then reinstall it. Here's how you can do it. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Scroll down to Google Play Store. Tap to open it and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner to reveal Uninstall Updates. Tap Uninstall Updates and check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Date and time. Check the set time and date on your device and make sure it is showing the correct time and date. If not, go to Setting and check the option to set Automatic Date and Time. If still not works, then try the following methods. Method 3. Clear Play Store data. Like other apps on your device, the Play Store app also stores its configurations and settings in temporary files on your device. Sometimes, these files could be the reason why you have issues in the store. To fix it, simply remove the Play Store app files and you'll be good to go. Launch the Settings app on your device. Tap on the Apps option. Find and tap on the Google Play Store app. Tap on Storage. Select Clear Storage and clear the files. Choose Clear Cache and clear the cache files. Method 4. Delete your Google Play search history. Google will store the keywords for the items you search for in the Google Play Store. These are similar to Google search suggestions, which are shown when you search for any keyword. You can remove searches you've made on Google Play using the Google Play Store app. Open the Google Play Store app, Google Play. Tap Menu. Then select Settings. Tap Clear Local Search History. Method 5. Clear Play Store Library. Google Play Store keeps a library of each app you have installed or uninstalled on your device. You can access your uninstalled apps library from Google Play. My Apps and Games. Then Library. The library became big and big with time, but the Play Store does not have an option to delete all uninstalled apps list together. You need to delete one by one from the library, which is a time-consuming process if you have a large number of apps in the library. So which method did work for you? Or if it is still not working, then let me know into comments. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.